addictive flavor made at home. Easy and delicious sukiyaki rice bowl. $90 of rice. Rinse the rice and drain. Add 120g of water to the rinsed rice. Add half tablespoon sake for tastier rice. It's optional. Mix well, then cook the rice. $60g thick green onions. Slice on the diagonal. $40g of onion. Slice into half moon. $30g of spinach. Cut into bite-sized pieces. $60g of baked tofu. Cut into bite-sized pieces. Bring water to a boil in the pot. 40g of shirataki noodles. Boil for 2 minutes and drain the water. Boil spinach for 1 minute and drain the water. One tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of sugar. 1 tablespoon and 2 teaspoons of soy sauce. 1.5 tablespoons of sake. 1.5 tablespoons of mirin. 2 tablespoons of water. Half teaspoon of dashi powder. Mix well. Medium heat. 2 teaspoons of cooking oil. Heat the pan thoroughly. 130g of thinly sliced beef. Add sliced green onions. Cook for a little while, then add the salt. Add sliced onion. Cook for a few minutes, then add shirataki. Add baked tofu last. Simmer for about 5 minutes. One pasteurized raw egg or poached egg. Use a pasteurized egg yolk. Place the ingredients on top of the rice in the bowl. Pickled red ginger and steamed pepper are also recommended if available. Sukiyaki Don でした。Enjoy!